Hello guys, my name is Pushpendra and in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can create a directory, how you can upload a video on a server without interacting of any API. So this trick will save your life, and if you're really working on a big application, something like YouTube or anything, something where you need to upload a huge amount of data on a server. So let's come to the point. uh, if you are hitting any API for uploading a file to the server, then it will take a load of a server. It will increase the load of a server, and if many users is calling that API at a concurrent time, then definitely your server will get hang. But if you are uploading any file from the phone directly, then definitely it will save the life of server and your database also. So let's begin with the basic example how you can create a directory first. Now create a new application with the name upload file, give package name, finish. Now I will create a class for performing background task. The class name is create directory and it will extend a synchronous task. Here I'm giving params, return type and execution time as a void. And we require one library for FTP client. So this library you can find on Google and stated as Apache Common. We will copy this library into our Android project lib folder inside app, paste, and now we will add dependency jar file and select from here, apply, OK. Now server URL, here you have to give your hosting name, www dot something like that, or your IP address of your domain name, username for FTP connection and password. This is the FTP client and we will bind it with try catch, so if any runtime exception occurred then we can catch here. Tag for just information. Now next line we will put into the try ftp dot connect with our server name, ftp dot login, username comma password, ftp client dot enter local passive mode. This is very mandatory for FTP connection. Don't forget to add this line, enter local passive mode. Now we will create a directory path, public HTML upload file is a folder and new directory. I will create a new file, FTP utility, or you can do this task into the same class as well, mkdir. Here I will pass FTP client comma directory path. I'm trying to split that directory path by the separator of this one. Now new line ftp client dot make directory, and it will throw IO exception. We don't require first line, so just copy and paste tag for knowing the status. It will return true or false, directory is created or not. Now FTP client sorry, ftp utility dot mkdir with the ftp client comma directory path. That's cool. And here I will add one permission for internet. That's it. Now trying to see the output. There is nothing. Scroll. Oh, I forgot to call this class actually. New create dir dot execute with null parameter. Here we have to pass server name. Before passing server name, we are doing logout from the ftp client and disconnected from the ftp client. And as you can see here, you have to pass server name, username and password. After running, I have run my application and I found new underscore dir. So this directory has been created on the server directly. In the next video we will go through with how you can upload a file directly to the server without interaction of API.